don't listen to music every day, right? So on Mondays, on Fridays, weekends, weekdays. So when is it?
In the morning. Morning.
Good, good. So I always listen to music in the morning. So when you use that adverb of frequency, you also need to tell us the time it happens. Okay. So can you repeat the first one? Let me see the first sentence. You talked about another one. You gave two. So can you repeat another one again?
Um, I always listen music in the morning.
You made a mistake again. Listen to music.
I always listen to music in the morning.
Excellent. But always remember, Aria, when you learn something new, you can write it down. Writing it down is better for you so you can remember it and you don't make the same mistake again. So, people, if you learn something new and that is the mistake you usually make, so write it down so you don't forget it again. Because if you don't write it down, you're going to easily forget it. Okay, cool. So hi
Okay.
Dudu, how are you? Hi Jose, how are you? I always go to walking every day. No. Keten, you don't say I always go to walking. No, you say
Yeah.
I always go for a walk. I always go for a walk every day, not to walking. You don't say that. You go for a walk, not to walking. Okay, Keten. Mm. Lily, I never go for no. Lily, you say I've never been to a foreign country, not go to. No, you've never been or have never gone. So you use the past tense. Never gone to a foreign country before. So you either use been or a gone, the past tense. Now we're gonna be using another adverb of frequency, which is never. So we're going to be using never. This is also an adverb of frequency. We've learned two adverbs of frequency already, always and the never. So we're going to be making two sentences using never. So Vinay, can you make two sentences using an adverb of frequency, never?
Okay. I never taste the Starbucks,
Yeah.
and
Sorry?
I never taste the Starbucks coffee.
Oh, I've never tasted. So that's the past tense. You're not, I never taste. No. I've never tasted the Starbucks coffee.
Okay, I never tasted the Starbucks coffee.
Good. So I've never tasted the Starbucks coffee. That is it. Another one, please.
Mm, I mean, I never traveled America before.
No, you don't travel. I've never been to America before.
Mm.
So that's the same mistake with Lily. So you don't say I've never gone or traveled. You say I've never been. Okay, I've never been to America. Hosha, I've never gone to America before. Or
I
I've
mean,
never
I never
traveled.
been.
Yeah,
We
listen,
can't use traveled.
listen. If you want to use travel, you say I've never traveled is a past tense. I've never traveled to America before. Because now is the past tense. Because you are here now. We're talking about the past. You're not talking about the present. You understand?
Okay.
Because you
Yeah.
have never gone there. You've never been there. So you're going to use the past tense.
Okay. Can I say like I never been uh, gone America?
Gone to.
I never been gone to America.
There's not been gone to. Been is that you cannot use been. The thing is, you need to use the past tense. Go. The past tense of go is this one. I've never gone to.
Okay, I never gone to America before, right?
Yeah, not so good. So you say, I've never been to America before.
Okay, I never been to America before.
But you don't say I never. You say I have or have.
Okay, I have never been to America before.
Yes, that is it. I've never been to America before.
I okay.
Good. So if I've is very difficult for you to say, use it, make a simple one. I have. I have never been to America
I
before.
have.
Don't make
I
it
have.
complicated. Good. English is very easy. But if you make it complicated for you, it will be complicated. Good. So Maurice, can you give a sentence using an adverb of frequency, never?
Okay. The adverb is never. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Mm, yes. I never use my left foot to shoot the football.
Good. To shoot that, but now you are not shooting, you are kicking. So you kick.
To
You use
kick.
it, you don't use it to shoot.
So
We use, look at this, Maurice. We use a gun to shoot people or to shoot something, but we don't use the leg to shoot. We use it to kick.
kick. Okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
right would be I never use my left foot to kick the ball.
Yeah, to kick the ball, also to kick the football. Okay, to kick just say to kick a ball is better.
Yes.
We don't know any type of ball, so I've never used to kick a ball.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. First sentence.
Another one.
Second one.
Yeah.
Yes. I never wear yellow because my skin tone is not suiting that color.
Yeah. So my skin color doesn't. So you say because my skin color doesn't suit that color.
So I never wear yellow because my skin color is not suiting.
No. Just say
Schau mal.
doesn't suit that color.
I never wear yellow because my skin color doesn't suit it.
Yeah, it doesn't suit it or that color. Say,
Love it.
excellent. Yeah. So you make the sentence shorter and you use a doesn't.
Yes, I see.
I never eat out for dinner at 10 o'clock. Good. I never eat dinner out. So Azizi, I never eat dinner out at 10 o'clock. Okay. I never eat dinner out at 10 o'clock. Not out for. No. I never eat dinner at 10 o'clock. Out at 10 o'clock is better. Aria, can you go please? Use the frequency, adverb of frequency, never.
I never eat apple. I never drink coffee.
That's too short. You need to make it a little bit longer, and that's too easy.
Okay. I never drink coffee in the morning.
Okay, so why don't you drink coffee in the morning?
I don't like.
I don't like drinking coffee in the morning.
Okay.
Good.
I never drink coffee in the morning.
Yeah, because
I don't like coffee.
good, excellent. Now I want to teach you something, Arya. When you were responding to somebody, if you were so direct, the people would not want to talk to you. If you were so direct, they don't want to talk to you. Like, let's say, why don't you drink coffee? And you say, because you say, I don't like. If you were so direct, people don't want to talk to you because the conversation is so boring. But if you make it longer, they feel interesting, want to talk to you. Like, why don't you drink coffee? I don't like coffee in the morning because it's not good for my body. I'm like, oh yeah, this girl is interested in talking. But if you just like, why don't you drink coffee in the morning? I don't like. I don't want to talk to you anymore because it's kind of like so boring, you know. But when you talk more, it's kind of like you're interested in the conversation. You get it, right? So making sentences is also the same. Make sentences longer when you are talking to somebody. The longer the sentences, the more the people think, oh yeah, she's into me or she really want to talk to me, you know? But if it's so short, they don't want to talk to you because they think you're going to always say yes, no, maybe, like that. Hello, French girl. Nice to see you again, French girl. Yeah, so we go to another question, another answer for using never. Never. Arya? Arya, are you there?
Okay. I never eat fast food because fast food not good my healthy.
Good. So not healthy. You say, I never eat fast food because it's not good for my health.
I have.
No, you don't put have. I never eat fast food because it's not good for my health. Health.
Yes.
So it's not a health.
I never eat fast food because it's not good my healthy.
For
For
my
my healthy.
no fee. No healthy is health. Stop at the health.
It's not
Good.
for my healthy.
No. Not a healthy. It's a health. There's a difference.
Health.
Look at this. What I sent to you. Health.
Okay. Okay. It's not good
Look
for
at it.
my
Not good for my health.
not good my health.
Yeah, for.
Not good for my health.
Yes. So you don't say healthy is not good. Healthy is not the same. Health and healthy is not the same. So I can say I am healthy, but my health is not good. So these two are not the same.
Okay.
Good. So the next we go, we're going to be using another adverb of frequency, which is often. So we're going to be using often. So Moritz, can you make a sentence using often, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool.
Okay. My friends call me often on my phone because I forget my keys at their place.
Good. But now you need to say you need to say my friends often call me. So this is how it goes. My friends often call me, not my friend. I forgot how you said it, but that's not correct. So you say my friends often call me when I forget my keys at their place.
No, they always call me when I forget my keys at their place.
The adverb of frequency we're using is often.
Okay. So my friends often,
not a tin, is a often.
My friends often call me on my mobile phone when I forget my keys at their place.
Excellent. That's amazing. That's good. Yeah, it's good. Good. So the next one, you give another one. Yes, Zizi. I often go to the gym for twice. No. You don't say for twice a week. You don't say that. I often go to the gym twice a week. No for. Okay. I often go to the gym twice a week. No, you don't need to add a for. Yeah, Moritz, another sentence using often, please.
I often correct my sister when she is disrespectful towards our mother.
Yes, cool. So how do you correct her? Pa, right, Moritz?
Nein. I try to talk some sense into her head.
Excellent. You try to talk some sense into her head. Excellent. That's amazing. Vinay, your turn. Can you make a sentence using an adverb of frequency often?
What is the meaning of often? Do you know?
Often is a repetition, means something is always happening.
Okay.
It's just the same like what you said, always, never. They're all the same, no big difference. So it means the thing usually happens all the time.
Again, I often
The same,
drink.
I always go to the gym. You can say, I often go to the gym. I always eat lunch. I often eat lunch. So it's all the same, no big difference. But this
Again,
is, it's supposed to be used in different situations.
okay, I often to do work at evening.
Sorry, you say I often work, not do work. I often work in the evening.
I often work in the evening.
Yes, is that now, Tina? I often introduce girls to do the. Tina, wait, you introduce girls to me?
Very good. Very good. Big W's to Tina.
That she often introduce girls to me. sorry,
Big
sorry.
W.
This
We
is
love
so
her.
funny.
We need more girls like Tina.
Yeah, we need more introduce girls to us, right?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, cool. So another sentence, Vinay.
Okay, I